The auditorium of the Excelsior High School was the venue for the 2016 Mr and Ms ECC pageant. We have the highlights.
Before the morning sun, when life was lonely, once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe.
Brown skin. A long time I mix my dark chocolate with a nice vanilla body still, you know. Not too nice, you know. Brown skin. Girl, I want to wash it down like a bicycle engine and brown.
All of it is handiwork, one of which is masterpiece, made so uniquely the angels so curiously. The one thing in creation that was made in his imagery, a concept so cold, it's the reason I stay bold how God breathed in man. And he became a living soul.
Every day your belly full. Take your time to cook the fish the way your father likes it. But mommy always disappointed. God, daddy, you never name it. Daddy, me hate you. I'm staying, I'm staying. And you are.
This competition really is a form of engagement, getting the students involved in other activities in addition to academics. In fact, we have Miss Althea Leng, one of the choreographers of this program, and a part of it is to develop, the confidence, self-awareness. Culture is not a beauty contest. It's about, a person's holistic development. We look at, how they are able to present themselves, their academics. They have to have at least a 2.5 academic average to be a part of the competition. They have to demonstrate some cultural activity. They have to demonstrate an awareness of current events. And they also have to show that they understand the culture and the aim of what Excelsior Community College is about. This is about the 12th staging of this event. In fact, it has started over 13 years ago. And there was a lull, and we have just started, but the last event was in 2008. And now we have now rekindled the effort, and we are now seeing the support and the engagement of the students in this activity. Turnout has been pretty good based on the fact that it was a low-key and more internal promotion, but we have gotten the support from the students, and really it culminates our college week. So it's all about students' development, student involvement, and an appreciation of what is it that Excelsior has to offer.
Well, the contestants are judged based on their cultural awareness, their awareness about, for example, our founding fathers of the college, their awareness about current affairs, their awareness about national issues, Jamaican issues, issue relating to the campus, issue related to the curriculum, all the programs that we have to offer, and general issues that affect young people.
Mr. McCarthy, when he came on board in 1992, we decided to start the competition, and it did very well, and then it just died, and then we spoke to each other last year and said we need to have it happening again. And I'm quite happy how it turned out because the time was very short, you know. You know I live in Mandeville, right? So every Saturday I came up to do training for the last 6 weeks I've been in Kingston, every Saturday training the competition. But what is fantastic is to see how the participants have changed. Tonight I was like, wow, you know, they have just blossomed over the period, and I think that they're taking away personal development from having been a part of this competition tonight.
Our third and final commercial break. When we get back, we salute Shabba Ranks and we roll out the Magnum Top 10 Charts. We'll be right back.